Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a PS4. Getting your new PlayStation 4 console ready for gaming is an exciting process, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. We'll start by connecting all the essential cables, then move on to pairing your controller so you can navigate the system. Finally, I'll show you how to get your console online and ensure it has the latest software updates, setting you up for hours of fun. Let's begin by connecting all the physical components. First, take your HDMI cable and plug one end into the HDMI OUT port on the back of your PlayStation 4 and the other end into an available HDMI input on your television. Next, connect the power cable to the AC in port on your console and then into a wall outlet. If you prefer a wired internet connection, now is the time to plug in your Ethernet cable. Otherwise, we'll handle wireless setup shortly. With your hardware connected, it's time to power everything on. Turn on your television and switch to the HDMI input where your PlayStation 4 is connected. Now, press the PlayStation button located in the center of your controller. This will pair it with your console, allowing you to navigate the initial setup screens. You'll then be guided through selecting your preferred language and setting your time zone, getting you closer to your first game. The final steps involve getting your PlayStation 4 online and up to date. You'll be prompted to choose your internet connection method. If you're using a wired connection, it should connect automatically. For wireless, select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your password. Once connected, your console will check for system software updates. It's crucial to install these to ensure you have the latest features and security. After the updates, your PlayStation 4 will be fully ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.